And Circle Pines leaders moved one step closer to making changes to the long-abandoned Down Under property. During a public hearing at its August 10th meeting, City Council heard responses from the property owner, Tim Pollock, about the city's recent public nuisance declaration. The city's inspectors say the remaining unsecured basement and foundation are dangerous. The Pollocks paid to demolish much of the former nightclub in 2019, but since then, the site has sat pretty much unchanged. Many residents at the meeting said they're sick of looking at it.
As an eyesore in our community, I personally do not have any faith whatsoever that if he says he's going to build something there, is it going to be another 10 or 13 years while we sit with a dump in the neighborhood? That's not good for Circle Pines.
For his part, Pollock told the council it's not entirely his or his brother's fault that this has dragged on for more than a decade. City council members were unmoved by that.
There are some hazards on that property, but they've been created by the city. And the city for at least 6 years, if not longer, have put, and where the plywood is broken, is where they dug a hole into the asphalt over the city water main. They've had an orange cone sitting there forever. And that is an open hole that someone can fall into. It's in the open parking lot. If they walk in there, someone will certainly hurt or break their ankle. And that was done by the city.
If the Pollocks truly felt that they were being good citizens, they would be working with us to make that site look better until it got developed. Right. It's their property. And there's a thing called pride in ownership, and you don't have it.
In the end, council decided to have city staff draft a resolution that council members could vote on at the next meeting, outlining exactly what the city wants the Pollocks to do to address the nuisance. That meeting is scheduled for August 24th.